Hey Summit Paving, my name is Zach, and in this video I'm going to show you the 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Now most likely you're sitting there asking yourself, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? Well, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is that they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. Well, I've found by giving people an easy free attack plan of actual things they can do to their business to gain clients has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands and saying, I like what you do, Zach, so please do this for me. So if by the end of this video you've liked what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business with gaining those clients, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free attack plan I gave you to do for yourself, that works for me too. So now let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time. So the first thing I want to go over is content. So I'm going to click on your website, and I really like how your website's laid out. I like the functionality of it and how easy it is to get around. But y'all are lacking in content, and what I mean by that is I look here and you only have 902 words on your page. Well, Google likes to see about 1,500 words in order to get you ranking on Google. Now that being said, I'm going to go over to Asphalt Paving Dallas, which they're ranking number 1 organically on Google, which I'll show you here in just a second. And they are at about 1,400 words. So as we can see, we got some catching up to do to Asphalt Paving Dallas, but it can definitely be done, and we can go over their number to beat them out. Now I'm going to move on to citations. I'll kind of show you what I was talking about organically. So they pop up number 1 right here. Now as far as citations goes, we have this Google Map Pack right here, and they're nowhere to be found, but also Summit Paving isn't either. But that just tells me that there's a lot of opportunity to be number 1 on this list. And so how we get these, our position on the Google Map Pack, we want to talk about citations, and what these refer to are what we call NAPs, which is name, address, and phone. So now you're asking me, like, how do I rank in maps? Well, I told you it's going to be the citations. I'll show you this. We're going to go over here to WhiteSpark. It's an app that I have that's about 30 to 70 bucks a month. And we look at Dallas Paving Company, and they have 12 citations. We all have 18. So y'all are doing well here, but we could still bump this up so we can beat out even more competition in the area. So these citations are submitted word for word into directories such as Yellow Book, City Star, so on and so forth. And even Facebook has an area where you can submit as a citation. And you can actually click on this link right here, and it'll tell us every citation that they have. So we could go in and use the ones that they already have on your website. I'm going to go back, and we're going to look at organic again. So once again, this is organic. And this is the third thing I want to go over with you. And what gives your website the organic ranking is what we like to call link juice. And you can see we search for Asphalt Paving Dallas, and once again we got Asphalt Paving Dallas, Texas. Now this is where you want to be, and to get there you need to beat out the competition in every aspect. Well, this link juice, simply put, works like this. So Site A is pointing to Site B, therefore Site A is acting like link juice, which gives Site B more authority in Google's eyes, almost like a popularity contest. But there's more to it than that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effective when you have relative sites linking back at you. So with y'all being a paving company, you wouldn't want to be linked to like a Pizza Hut. That wouldn't do any good for you. So we're going to go back to what I call SEO Quake. It's a free app to use, by the way, if you wanted to use it. We look at backlinks. So y'all only have 4 right now that are pointing back to your page. And now we're going to go over here to the competition, and they have 69. So they're beating us pretty well right here. And this is something that would be easy to outdo, but it's going to take a little bit of work, time, and effort. So now that we've talked about this link juice, you kind of have the 3 steps that you need to take to outrank, say, Dallas Paving Company, just so y'all can be at the top, and whenever people pull up Google, y'all are the first ones that they click on. So in closing, I just once again want to go over your content. So your front page needs to have at least 1,500 words. And as far as citations go, you want to have 200 to 300 of these to beat out the competition by a landslide. And we already saw they only have 12. So we got a long way to go to get to 200, but you're already beating them. So that's a good thing. And the next thing was the link juice. You need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google you are the authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you can be number 1 across Google and on people's search engines. And I bet you're wondering, what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 903-715-7876. Once again, my name is Zach, and my number is 903-715-7876. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.